Look at this set. Anshuman Khanna has a manufacturing unit. The following graph gives the cost of various number of units. So up to 34, first of all, this line will be extended up to the y-axis. So what we can see, up to 34 units, fixed cost is 50. After that, at 35 units jumps up to 100. The fixed cost 0 to 34, it is 50 rupees. 35 to 50, it is 100 rupees. Why up to 50? Because they are not exceeding 30 units. Now, if I take this list line at 20, what is the fixed cost? 400. What is the variable cost? 300. So we can, revenue. This line denotes fixed cost. This bold line denotes variable cost. And this discrete line denotes revenue. So at 20 units production, what is the revenue? 400. So revenue per unit is 20 per unit. The rate of variable cost is 15 per unit. So what is the margin between them? 5 per unit. What is the job of this margin? First job of this margin is to take care of the fixed cost. Because if you see at zero production, no variable cost, no revenue, still there is a 50 rupees fixed cost. So that means 50 rupees loss. So first to take care of this 50 rupees loss and then to generate profit. Here we need to take care of the loss because we want minimum numbers to take care of the loss. And there is no loss. So what is the loss initially? 50. And what is the margin? 5. So at the rate of 550, that means 10 units will ensure no loss. You can always cross verify at 10 unit production, revenue will be 200. Variable cost will be 150 and fixed cost is 50. So 150 plus 50 is 200. There is no loss. So option B. Next one. Now we want to make 50 rupees profit. Again, already 10 rupees to ensure no loss. Another 50 rupees profit at the rate of 5. Another 10 units. So we need total 20 units. At 20 units production, there will be 50 rupees profit. You can always cross verify. At 20 unit production, total revenue will be 400. It's here. And total variable cost will be 300. Fixed cost is 50. So total cost, variable plus fixed, 50 plus 300, 350. Total revenue, 400. Yes, there is 50 rupees profit. Next. At most 40 units can be manufactured, highest profit. First of all, up to 34, highest profit is at 34. Because we can see the revenue is increasing in a higher rate than the variable cost and fixed cost is fixed. So at this point, up to the, if we take graph up to this much, if we consider the graph up to this much, at this 34 point profit is highest. At this 34 point profit is highest. So first of all, 25 cannot be the answer. 25 cannot be the answer. Now coming to 35. 34 to 35, if we shift, what is the increment in revenue? 20 rupees. Whereas what is the increment in fixed cost? 50 rupees. So actually profit will drop down by 30 rupees. 34 to 35, there is a little drop in profit because suddenly fixed cost is increasing in a abrupt rate. So 35 cannot be the answer. Now at 40, what is the revenue? 800. What is the fixed cost? 600. And what is the variable cost? 100. So what is the overall profit? 100. Overall profit at 40, overall profit is 100. At 34, revenue 680. Variable cost 510. Fixed cost 50. So overall profit 120. So highest profit at 34 only.